Ted, a new study conducted by the U.S. Drug Test Center shows that Nevada is one of the top 20 most impacted states by the current drug epidemic in America. 8 News Now reporter Sally Jaramillo joins us now in the studio to tell us why we made the list.
Denise, Nevada is the 16th most affected state and number 9 in the U.S. with the highest rate illicit drug use. The ranking were determined by comparing data for all states in 4 areas: illicit drug use, drug overdose deaths, substance use disorder, and arrests for drug offenses. Experts say no matter how hard the drug abuse issue gets, they will continue to tackle the problem.
Where a couple months we'll really see a lot of it coming through, and then sometimes not as much.
Daniel Neal works with the Drug Enforcement Administration. He says they used to see in a year a few hundred pounds of meth in southern Nevada.
We actually seized a few hundred pounds in 1 month. That kind of goes the same way with oxycodone 30 milligram tablets laced with fentanyl.
While there used to be a problem with meth labs in the valley, the production of it has slowed.
I think we're seeing record numbers of methamphetamine being produced out of Mexico and then being brought into our valley.
I spoke to Mel Pohl at the Las Vegas Recovery Center. He's not shocked at the recent study.
We're not in the top 10, which is good news, but we're in the top 20 in terms of incidents of overdose deaths and I believe in substance use disorder diagnoses.
Pohl says we need to determine the reasons people develop substance abuse problems. Jeffrey Iverson, a former addict, runs the Freedom House sober living facility. He agrees.
What works long term is to get people engaged in a lifestyle of recovery, which for most people includes attending support groups meetings.
Prevention is also key, but that starts with educating our youth.
We ought to be starting with 6 and 7-year-olds. You know, we ought to begin the conversation well before high school years.
And in case you were wondering, the states that see the most impact include New Hampshire, West Virginia, Maine, Colorado, Vermont, North Dakota, Indiana, Connecticut, Louisiana, and Washington, D.C. Kirsten.
Thank you so much, Sally. Starting that education at a very young age. It's important. Very important.